Hello friends, my name is Masood. Today we shall discuss about topic the cloud development tools and SDKs. Today basically we shall discuss the software development tools and the SDKs which we used for cloud development. Cloud is basically a remote server at which we basically use different services like software services, platform as a services, database storage, etc. So friend, whenever we are using the cloud, like for example Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud, AWS, so basically we have different software development tools are available, and also the SDKs are available which we used for software development. Okay, like friend, basically when we are working on premises, like we have all the things available on our local system, so we use these services, or we use the environments install our own system, or we are using the environment which is basically available on premises. However, uh, the when we are working remotely, we use different services like software development and SDKs which are basically connected through the remote servers. So basically friend, cloud development tools and software development kits SDKs plays a crucial role in facilitating the development, deployment and management of applications in cloud environment. These tools and SDKs are designed to streamline the development process, enhance collaboration, and provide access to various cloud services and resources. So first we talk about cloud development tools, in which first we talk about integrated development environment IDEs. Friend, I'm sure that if you are a developer, like for example Java developer or .NET developer, you have definitely used the IDE which is called as integrated development environment. Basically friend, these are the environment for a developer which they use for the software development. Examples are Eclipse, Visual Studio Code, JetBeans. So all those are the examples of integrated development environment. Basically friend, IDEs provide a comprehensive environment for developers to write, debug and deploy applications. They often come with features like code highlighting, auto completion and integrated debugging tools specific to cloud development. Especially friend, whenever we are using those IDE, we can, like for example, it will highlight the error if is any error in the code. Next is the version control system. Friend, version control system helps manage and track changes in code, ensuring collaboration among developers. Like when there are multiple developers are working, for example, a few developers are sitting in Pakistan, few are in India, few are in USA. So there is a very big question that how we will maintain the version, like what is the latest version, because multiple people are working. So there is a software which are available for version controlling, and they are crucial for cloud development as multiple developers may be working on different aspects of an application simultaneously. You know that they are geographically different developers are available sitting on different locations. So Git and Mercurial are the examples of version control systems. Then containerization tools. Basically friend, container encapsulate an application and its dependencies, ensuring consistency across different environments. Containerization tools help developers create, deploy and manage containers efficiently, promoting scalability and portability. The examples are Docker and Kubernetes. Docker is basically an example of container, and Kubernetes is an example of the orchestration actually, which we use for deployment. Then next is the continuous integration and continuous deployment tools. Friend, whenever we are working on remote projects like cloud services we are using, and use software development, so basically friend, multiple people are working on multiple code, and that is basically called as cloud continuous integration. Like the multiple people are working, and these tools automate the building, testing and deployment process. They are essential for cloud development to ensure rapid and reliable delivery of applications to the cloud infrastructure. So first it will be in the development phase, then once the development will finish, then it will automatically, the release will be shifted in the testing phase. Then the testing is completed, it will automatically be shifted in the on the deployment actually. So all those things are automated and working automatically. The examples of continuous integration and continuous deployments are Jenkins, Travis, and GitLab. Then configuration management tools. Friend, these tools automate the configuration and management of infrastructure, ensuring consistency and repeatability. Configuration management is crucial in cloud environments where resources need to be provisioned and configured dynamically. The example are Ansible, Puppet, and Chef. Then next is the infrastructure as code tools. Friend, IAC tools allow developers to define and manage infrastructure using code. This ensures that the infrastructure is consistent, version controlled, and easily reproducible across different environments. The examples are Terraform, AWS Cloud Formation, Azure Resource Manager. Then we can talk about software development kits. First we talk about AWS SDK. Friend, AWS SDK provide libraries and tools for developers to interact with Amazon Web Services. They support various programming languages and enable developers to integrate AWS services into their applications. Then Azure SDK. Azure SDK offer resources and tools for developers to build applications on the Microsoft Azure platform. They include libraries, documentation, and sample code for different programming languages. Then Google Cloud SDK. Google Cloud SDK provides command line tools and libraries for interacting with Google Cloud Platform. It includes tools for deployment applications, managing resources, and interacting with GCP services. Then OpenStack SDK. OpenStack SDK enables developers to build applications that interact with OpenStack cloud infrastructure. They provide libraries for various programming languages to facilitate communication with OpenStack services. Next is the Docker SDK. Docker, we know that it is basically a container. So Docker SDK offer libraries and tools for developers to interact with Docker container. They allow developers to build, deploy, and manage containerized applications using programming languages. So friend, these cloud development tools and software development kits collectively empower developers, especially software developers, to create, deploy, and manage applications in cloud environments efficiently, taking advantage of the scalability and flexibility offered by cloud computing platforms.